Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Welcome back for another great video. I got some crazy stuff for you guys today. I actually just gave away my 10-ounce Wall Street silver bar. The premiered video was so freaking fun. I think I'm going to start doing some live streams because just, chatting it up with you guys in real time was so fun. I might even do a face cam. Bring back the face cam. OG Silver Slayer stuff. But anyways, that was just a great way to kick off the day. I'm also doing a 45,000 subscriber giveaway pretty soon, so make sure you subscribe and tune in for that because that's going to be a banger. But today we got some interesting stuff. UK Royal Mint sees a 540% increase in silver bar demand. Now, you can't make these numbers up. You can't make this stuff up. That is insane. And to think that this is just the beginning. I mean, that's just from individual investors like you and I, not even talking about the industrial side with 5G, EV, and PV, which is photovoltaic cells and solar panels. That's pretty cool. 5G, EV, and PV. But anyways, it's just insane to think about, scarcity with silver. Right now, you see silver creeping back up, $27.34. Actually, it's green across the board. But yeah, so we got this. We're also going to be going over the LBMA overstate silver inventory. So that's going to be interesting to dive into as well. So yeah, we got a great video. Make sure you subscribe, smash the like button. And I just appreciate you guys so much. So UK Royal Mint sees 540% increase in silver bar demand. The global precious metals market continues to see insatiable demand for physical silver. Thursday, UK Royal Mint reported a 540% increase in bullion silver bar sales compared to last year. That's crazy. It's not like 50%. It's not even like 75%, which would be crazy. 540%. The Royal Mint also said that its 1-ounce Silver Britannia 2021 coin saw sales increase 100% since March and April compared to last year. When experienced high demand in 2020 as investors flocked to safe havens. And remember, 2020 was a pandemic when everyone was trying to buy silver. So 540% comparing that to last year when everyone was already buying more because of the pandemic. So this is insane. This is insane. This is an insane number. So this demand has continued into 2021 as more people realize the benefits of precious metals. And this is talking about Wall Street silver, the silver raids, the silver squeeze. We're building a silver movement, right? Silver has a wide appeal because it has intrinsic value as finite resource and offers a significantly lower price than gold, making it accessible for more customers. That's not the only reason, though. Yes, it's more affordable, but there's also a lot more potential there as well. Physical demand for silver took off in February this year after a group of traders organized through social media, Wall Street Silver. Shout out to them. They are insane. They gave away that bar to give away with one of you guys. They've been pinning all my videos on their Reddit forum with 80,000 members. I mean, they're a huge supporter of this channel, so I'm going to support them as well. I mean, it's just, silver stackers trying to help out silver stackers. It's just a great thing. I love it. Shout out to them. Go check out their YouTube channel as well. So, physical demand for silver took off in February, and that's this year after a group of traders, Wall Street Silver. However, since then, analysts have said that silver demand remains strong, with investors looking to capitalize on precious metals and industrial demand as the global economy continues to recover from the pandemic. Other analysts have said that silver remains an attractive monetary metal and hedge against inflation or rising inflation pressures. It's like silver's starting to click for everybody. Everyone's starting to have that aha moment that silver is the best investment. Many analysts predict a bright future for silver for the remainder of 2021. And this is, with monetary and fiscal policies, traditional drivers for demand in precious metals are expected to remain in play as the economy continues to recover from the pandemic. Furthermore, silver's use in emerging green technologies have also contributed to the positive sentiment towards the metal. Strong investment demand for silver pushed prices to a nearly 2-month high last week to $28 an ounce, although Silver has fallen from its recent highs. The precious metal is still holding critical support. In July, silver futures last traded $27, and now we see it up approaching towards that mid $27 range again. So there's a lot of support. A lot of people are saying, okay, $27 silver, I'm going to start buying up because that's a steal, and that really is a steal if you think about it. So the Royal Mint said that this has rapid growth in the precious metals markets over the recent years. It is now the primary producer of bullion coins in the UK. The Royal Mint also said that it offers a range of digital investment platforms, but you know, if you can't hold it, you don't own it. So what a great article. What it's like, it's the perfect storm for silver is here. I keep saying that, but it really is. It's like everything is starting to click. Everything that I've been talking about for the last 6 years that would be happening is happening. That it's finally here. We've been patient. Silver stackers have been extremely patient, and we always have the last laugh. So LBMA overstates silver inventories. Gold price stalls despite record inflation. What's going on? That is interesting. Usually when things, especially, you know, inflation, stuff like that, people go to gold. But it's almost like people are starting to look somewhere else. Silver. London Bullion Market Association, LBMA, overstated their holdings in April, an error which they later rectified. Previously, they had reported 1.15 billion troy ounces, when in fact the correct figure is 1.14 billion. In a state, and that doesn't seem like much, but that actually is, when you're talking about the number billion, that is a lot. In a statement released to Kitco, the LBMA stated the incorrect information regarding March silver stocks, which has now been amended, arose from an incorrect data submission. There is no link between the supporting error in March and the activity in the silver market at the end of January. LBMA is working to ensure such a mistake does not occur in the future. We are reviewing internal submitter controls as well as looking at controls in place for trade reporting and other market stock reporting that can potentially be brought across to safeguard precious metals vault stock submissions. Currently, the LBMA queries in any submission which is off trend, which, you know, substantially higher or lower than previous submitted numbers, and asks for the submitter to reconfirm their numbers. This check is in place to avoid any miscalculations or fat finger errors arising. This process was followed during the March data submission. However, when rechecking this number prior to submission of April silver stocks data, the submitter identified and disclosed the error, which was immediately rectified by the LBMA. This was accounting error, or an accounting error. It looks like an accounting error, a mistake part of one of the depositories. But how much metals it had at the end of the month, it doesn't look like anything had to do with attempts to squeeze the market. On the gold market, Christian noted that while gold did not rally this week on the release of higher than expected headline inflation numbers, 4.2%, yellow metal did rise, and you know it's still up. I mean, gold around $1,838, still decent. It's not that $2,000 figure, but it's still up there. Importantly, interest rates rose significantly on news, with 10-year U.S. Treasury bond yield hitting 1.7% Thursday, while the market digests the fact that inflation may not be persistent and only temporary. That's a theory, as 4.2% inflation on an annualized basis uses last year's very depressed prices as a base. More broadly speaking, Christian said gold does not react to inflation as much as it does to other factors, including real interest rates, investment demand, and geopolitical risk. So, definitely, and there's a video that goes along with this, and they're talking about inflation doesn't drive gold, but this does. So I hope that you guys do check out these articles. Watch the video. You know, it just as much information as you can get. Take that information in the investing world, especially with something like silver, which is so directly correlated to the economy. You know, the financial system. All that is going to help you at the end of the day. That's why I try to post these very relevant articles. A lot of stuff is going on, and I try to keep you guys up to date with the most important stuff that you need to know. I weed through a lot of different articles every day, but I pick the ones that you need to know. I'm never going to talk about stuff you don't need to know. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. 540% increase in silver bar demand. That is an insane number. I don't even think that the human brain can fathom how big of an increase that is, right? It really is like unbelievable, literally. So I'm going to wrap this video up here. Make sure you subscribe. We're on the road to 50K. Let's get to 50K. That's going to be such a crazy number. I'm so excited. I'm going to be giving away so much silver for that in celebration of that, because, you know, the amount of support on this channel is insane. I love you guys so much. Anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. Stay tuned for more stuff. Thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.